Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and today I'm going to talk to you about Creativation. This is a big show that happens in January of every year, and it's where all the companies, the crafting companies, come together, manufacturers, buyers, designers, everybody, and this is the new launch of all these amazing products that are going to be coming out for the year. So I will be there with quite a few different jobs, and one of my main jobs I'd love to do for you guys is I like to go video. So if you have a suggestion of a company, a product, a person you would like me to go video, I leave a comment down below. So that way I can go and get that. I'm going to be demoing and doing make and takes and also teaching classes while I am there. So I'll be running around into those booths and to those companies. I'll be getting videos from those. And just to give you a list down of those companies, it's going to be the Crafters Workshop. So we're going to get to see them. We're going to get to see Kuhn and Felt. We're going to see Expo International. Teresa Collins. I've been working with her lately. And then also Renia. So there's a few others that are on the list too. I just don't know if they're hatched them all out yet, but that is what is on the plan for right now. So if you are interested in me getting a video, like I said, of a person, a new product you've been hearing about, or a company that you just want me to go check out, leave it down below. I'll be doing live videos, and I will also be doing recorded videos that I'll be posting up later after I get back from the show. So that way you guys can see all the fun stuff for a few little while. It's just hard to do live videos sometimes with everybody doing video at the same time. So there's a lot of stuff happening. I will be flying out and helping doing booth setup early. And so I'll be walking around the showroom floor and giving you guys an inside sneak peek before the show even opens. Yes! So the first set of videos for while the show floor is getting set up and ready is going to be on January 17th and 18th. Those are the sneak preview, inside, scoop kind of videos. And then the 19th, 20th, and 21st is when the show is officially live, and I will be getting video from the showroom floor on those days as well. So leave your comments down below of what you guys want to see, and I will be back later with a whole bunch more information coming about AFCI, some sneak peeks that I got to show you guys from some companies, and also some projects I'm working on to take with me. So I hope you guys stay tuned. There's lots of fun stuff coming. And on a side note, my December daily kind of went time got the best of me. I just got swamped with Christmas, and so I know about a month ago I had said I'm going to be doing a December daily. Stay tuned for my series. And this show has, because I have a lot more stuff to do for the show, which is fantastic. I'm working with more companies, which is fantastic, but it's just taken over. So I had to put it on the back burner. It's just what happens, which I am sure I'm not the only one who had plans and got things ready for their December daily, and then it just went. But I've taken the pictures. I have the book started. I mean, I got the binding done. That's the video I did show you guys. What I haven't done is I haven't sat down and printed the pictures and actually put them into the book. But the good news is that just because it's a December daily doesn't mean I have to do it in December. I could do it not before the show, so it's going to have to be probably in February. But it still would be pretty fresh about what we did. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe, or I just keep the book from next year because I looked at it and I didn't put a date on it. So we'll kind of see what happens with that. Maybe it's just a prep for next year. So anyway, leave your comments of where you want me to go, who you want me to see, and what you want me to film, and I will do my best to add it to my schedule. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.